In this short video, I will show you how to do chi-square test using Excel. With chi-square, you compare observed and expected values. Here I already have the table of my expected values where I have year 1, year 2 and year 3 students and the meals they ordered. So I have a total of 52 year 1, 56 year 2, 50 year 3 and a grand total of 158. So the first thing I do is to copy my observed values and I paste them somewhere here, and so that this is the space where I will create my expected values. But since these cells already have the actual observed values, I will clear these cells so that I input the expected values using a formula for expected values. So for this cell, the expected value is equal to my column total multiplied by the row total and divided by the grand total. I do the same for this one. This is equal to column total multiplied by the row total divided by the grand total. Enter. I do the same here. This is equal to column total multiplied by the row total divided by the grand total. Enter. So it gives me values. Here again I do the same. This is equal to my column total multiplied by the row total divided by the grand total. Enter. Do the same here, equal to my column total multiplied by my row total divided by the grand total. Gives me that value. I do the same here, equal to column total multiplied by the row total divided by the grand total. Now I have my values. These are my observed from the raw data and these are expected, the ones I just calculated. Now I want to find the p-value where I compare my observed and expected. So this is equal to chi-test. Chi-test, as you can see here, it's asking me for the actual range. The actual range, I just highlight these numbers followed by a comma. Then I enter my observed expected values and put parentheses, then enter. So now this is my p-value. So now the p-value is 0.037, which is way greater than 0.05. For me to accept or reject the null hypothesis, I have to look at the p-value. Since the p-value is way greater than 0.05, then it means that there's no significant difference between the observed and the expected values. So even if I do a quick check on the values, it also shows that they are not very different by visual expectation. But when I look at the values again, the calculated value, it makes me conclude that the observed and the expected values are not significantly different. Thank you.